Hi, my name is Lizzie from Wendy Labs, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started with an NVIDIA Jetson Thor with WendyOS. WendyOS allows you to deploy from your MacBook, Windows, or Linux developer machine straight to the Thor with just a USB-C cable that's included in the box. No monitor, no keyboard, mouse, or fancy cables needed at all. On your machine, you'll need the Wendy CLI installed. For macOS and Linux machines, you can use the following command. For Windows, you can run the following command in PowerShell. If you need more instructions, visit docs.wendy.dev. Let's continue. Start with the Thor powered off. Looking at the back where the ports are, connect the USB-C cable from your MacBook to the right USB-C port next to the HDMI. Plug the power supply cable into a power outlet, then connect it to the left USB-C port on the Thor. On the face of the Thor, you should see 3 small buttons and an LED light. First, press and hold the middle button. Next, tap the right button while holding the middle button down. Wait a moment, then release the middle button. Next, back on your machine, run sudo wendy install. Select NVIDIA Jetson Thor. For Windows developers, you'll need to open up your PowerShell or Terminal app in administrator mode to run Wendy install. Follow the on-screen instructions, and the CLI will then begin downloading and flashing WendyOS for the NVIDIA Jetson Thor directly over the USB-C cable. After downloading, it will begin the flashing process. Fantastic! WendyOS is ready to go. Let's show off the true power of the NVIDIA Thor by running Qwen 2.5 with 3 billion parameters. In your terminal, create a new directory called LLM Thor. cd into it and run Wendy init template. And select WendyOS. Then select the LLM template and then select Qwen 2.5 3b. This will generate a project with Ollama with the model ready to go. Now run Wendy run, and the CLI will begin deploying directly to the Thor. Once complete, on your developer machine, a web browser will open, allowing you to talk directly to the LLM model running on the machine. And that's it. The NVIDIA Jetson Thor has never been easier to develop. WendyOS makes it easy to run heavy LLM, vision, voice, and even coding models at high speeds at the edge. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to run AI models for the Thor in robotics by following Wendy Labs on x.com, YouTube, and LinkedIn.